You can only die once.
Yeah. Yeah. Ryan swingers on the stainless. I copped it all cash, fuck a payment. Man, it's so hard, daily being famous. I had to unplug from the matrix. I cop a done, leave a whole sprung. Got a ton done when she tasted. Nigga got real pressure with the pill presser. Got a drugstore up in the basement. Yeah, yeah. Tool on me. How you let a nigga make a move on me? I don't let a bitch break a rule, cut her off. When I try to be cool, she was cool on me. Yeah, yeah. Am I stuck in my ways? I told you I seen everything except for old days. Told the hope it's a cold game. I can still put a bitch on the bay like the old days. Yeah.
What's up YouTube? In today's video I will be showcasing the X-Force exhaust for the MK8 GTI. Recently just got it installed like 2 weeks ago, so I just kind of want to go in depth on the little reviews, just kind of show off how it sounds, the way it looks on the car, and just overall like my thoughts on it. So I opted for just like the regular X-Force one. There's like the valved one, and then there's just like the regular catback. I went with the regular catback, and honestly it looks really good. Like the way just it kind of hangs off from the backside. It does poke out a little bit, which I mean I think it looks really nice once you throw like a diffuser on there and a spoiler. It's gonna look a lot more aggressive from the rear. As far as sound though, it is a little bit more louder than the stock one, but I wouldn't say it's like super loud compared to like the Miltech one or the AWE one. X-Force does give you the option to do a resonator delete, so they throw in that extra pipe right there so you can just take out the stock resonator, and it's supposedly supposed to make it a lot louder, but I just kind of opted to keep it stock just to kind of limit the amount of drone you get. Here's a look at it. At the bottom you get that X-Force logo right there. It's the full catback system. You also get it right here on the tips of the exhaust, X-Force, and they are relatively pretty wide tips, so when you look at it from the rear it does look pretty nice. Let's go. Alright, so right now we're gonna do a little sound clip with us turning on the car. Alright, so now we're going to do a startup from the interior. We're going to try the different drive modes so you guys can hear what it sounds like in eco, comfort, and then also sport mode. Alright, so we're going to start off in eco mode to see what it sounds like with eco mode, all the windows down. Let me give it a little second gear pull here. Do it in comfort mode, hear what that sounds like. Very little to no drone, really good if you're just trying to drive on the highway for cruising at small speeds on the road. And then now we're gonna throw it in sport mode, hear what that sounds like. Pops are a lot more prevalent in pretty much any gear, and as soon as you let go of the throttle, it starts popping.